세계 2차 대전 당시 미국 프랭클린 루즈벨트 대통령은 은밀하고 긴급한 작전을 수행할 CIA 부대를 파견합니다. CIA 부대는 명령에 따라 상마가 죽음 사이에서 작전을 수행하고
As I'm sure you're aware, these missions fall outside the parameters of the Geneva Conventions, and these men will most likely not be returning.
독일군의 근거지를 향하여 게릴라 전투를 펼쳐야 했죠. GI는 최근 비밀작전 때문에 부하 3명을 넘게 잃었는데 오늘도 새 임무를 받게 됩니다.
And today I received new orders. I'm being reassigned to Baker Company under the command of Milton Jackson, a former friend. Because of my experience in covert warfare, I've been tasked once again with forming a unit charged with matters more sensitive in nature.
덱스는 어떤 새 임무를 맡더라도 한 가지는 확실했습니다.
Whether it's theirs or mine, more men will die.
작전은 60일이 남은 상황. 베이커 중대는 독일의 갱틸겐 근처 집결지로 이동합니다.
Though reconnaissance reports indicated a marked decline in the battle worthiness of enemy personnel, what scattered resistance remained was in fact highly motivated and very effective.
그런데 그때 기관총은 미군을 조준합니다. 그리고 보병에게 시가전이란 벽 하나를 지날 때마다 목숨을 던져야 했습니다.
Colonel Daly, what a surprise.
You go ahead and have a seat. Hey, you want to tell me what the hell happened out there today?
On the way to the assembly point, my men were ambushed. I was personally assured that
Assured, Milton? The only assurance in war is there is none. You know damn well you should have sent out a recon patrol before you commit your men in force, which leads me to why I'm here today. I want you to help pick a special team from the men right here in Baker Company.
A special team, sir.
베이커 중대가 내륙으로 진격하는 동안 공격 지점을 선점해 게릴라전을 벌이려는 것이죠.
I've already gone ahead and got this started for you. I also have a lieutenant coming over from Charlie Company who's going to man up this unit.
Bringing someone in, sir.
Milton, you're a brilliant tactician.
Thank you, sir.
But this one here is best left to personnel with practical experience.
May I ask who?
Second Lieutenant Dwight Dax.
Dax. Dax isn't an officer.
Well, he is now. I gave him his bars yesterday.
Respectfully, are you sure he's the right man for the job?
그 유명한 덱스는 특전사 시절 게릴라전에서 필적할 수 없는 전술을 보여줬기에 작전 장교로 임명된 것입니다.
I understand you both went to West Point together, is that right?
He was only there for a short time.
Well, he's got his orders and he's going to be here shortly. You just get back to me when you have that team ready.
Yes, sir.
One more thing. Command would prefer that you select men without wives and children. Very likely they may not be coming home.
I can assure you, sir, you'll have Baker Company's finest men.
There you go with your assurances again.
그 말즉슨 집에 돌아가지 못할 가능성이 높은 작전이란 얘기였죠. 이 3명은 대학 동기며 같은 부대로 배치됐습니다. 덱스는 그들을 유심히 보고 있었죠.
Just like we did against Alabama. You remember? All right, ready? Break! Ready! Hack! Hit it!
All right, let's go.
Oh, crap. This can't be good. What? Who's that?
is Dax. He was one of Darby's Rangers who fought in Sicily in '43. He was awarded the Distinguished Service Cross. All right, what most people don't know about Dax is that he's gone a little off the deep end. When I was in Charlie Company, a friend of mine told me that when he was returning from recon patrol in enemy territory, he came across Dax's unit. The guy was just a civilian. He was unarmed, but still, pop! Shoots the guy. He does not play well with others.
He would have been court-martialed for that.
덱스가 민간인을 사살할 이유가 없었지만 소문은 무성했죠.
Other guys in Charlie Company, they say that he thinks he is the reincarnation of a Roman general.
What the hell does that mean?
I can tell you one thing, though. I wouldn't want to serve in his unit.
병사들은 덱스의 분대에 속하고 싶어하지 않았습니다.
Hello, Dwight.
Milton?
덱스는 동기인 밀튼에게 소대원을 추천받죠.
Colonel Daly has briefed me on the terms of your transfer. I think you'll find these men to be a good fit, given the expedited nature of your squad's formation.
Any of these files belong to the guys playing football outside?
역시 그들은 대장에서 제외된 상태였습니다.
But you can pick from any other men in Baker Company. And I also know you have a bad habit of challenging authority, so let me be frank with you. Baker is my company. If you so much as disturb the flow of my order, I will drown you in a flood of reprisal. Do I make myself clear? I'll assume you're fatigued from your trip. Sergeant Cook will show you to your quarters. You're dismissed.
하지만 덱스는
Are these the men for consideration in the unit?
More like suggestions. I already know who I want. Oh, add the names Adams, O'Malley, and Wells to that list.
Yes, sir. The football players.
You know me too well, Sergeant.
한편 셀레스키 상병입니다.
Either we risk the baby or your wife.
Doctor, we're losing them.
You have to make the decision now, Walter.
그는 인생을 살아갈 이유가 없었죠.
Corporal Selesky, Lieutenant Dax wants to see you. Looks like a storm's coming.
It's already here, Sergeant. You get the men assembled?
Yes, sir. At the edge camp like you requested.
덱스는 제아의 부대 대원들을 둘러보는데 미국 영화에서 꼭 나오는 훈화 말씀이 시작됩니다.
Detail! Attend hut!
Not far from here, in 451 AD, a great Roman general named Flavius Aetius led his men to victory over the overwhelmingly superior numbers of Attila the Hun. It was called the Battle of Catalonian Plains. Now, right now, you're asking yourself, what the hell has this got to do with us? 2,000 years ago, Roman soldiers were members of the most victorious army on earth. Like you, they were professional soldiers. Like you, they were well paid. All right, let the pay go for now. The question is, how was General Aetius able to pull this off? It's because his men regarded each other as brothers. And no matter the odds going into battle, they stayed and fought side by side as brothers. My name is Lieutenant Dwight Dax. I was assigned to B Company by Colonel Ira Daly to put together a small, fast recon group. We're gonna go behind enemy lines and raise hell. The only rules that matter, the only rules that will keep you alive are my rules. We're gonna move fast. We're gonna move quiet. We're gonna engage the enemy from the shadows, neutralizing, paralyzing, and most importantly, demoralizing them. We're gonna fight with stealth, just as the Romans did at Catalonian Plains, with lethal and merciless brutality. Just as the Romans were, we will become brothers. I guarantee you that.
덱스는 두 가지를 약속하는데 첫 번째, 자신이 하지 않을 일을 소대원에게 넘기지 않는다. 두 번째, 자신의 목숨이 멎을 때까지 모든 부하들을 돕는다.
Are you with me?
말이 없자
Plus you get extra pay and 2 weeks off the line.
역시 자본주의 사회에선 급여가 최고였지만
Are you with me? Yes, sir!
군인에게 휴가는 돈보다 소중했죠. 군필자들은 아시다시피 행보관이 휴가 질 테니까 참여할 사람이라고 한다면 절대 손을 들어선 안 된다는 사실을 이들이 몰랐던 것입니다.
What the hell you think you're doing? You disobeyed a direct order.
I formed an elite unit from the best candidates of Baker Company. I did exactly as ordered.
풋볼을 하던 아담스 병장과 오말리 상병, 월서 일병을 뽑은 것이죠.
And I gave my personal assurance that he would not.
I don't care what assurances you give outside your role as captain in this army. My decision's final. You have a problem with that? Take it up with the colonel.
You think you're real slick there, don't you, Dax? We'll see how slick you are when I have you up on charges and court-martialed for insubordination.
Am I dismissed, sir?
이들은 친구가 아닌 원수 같았죠. 하지만 그날 밤.
Sir?
Yes, come in. At ease, Corporal. What can I do for you?
Sir, I wish to respectfully request that I be pulled from consideration.
For what reason?
Permission to speak freely, sir?
Mm-hmm.
Sir, I feel I'm a liability to the men, and I believe that my decisions put them directly into harm's way.
셀레스키는 아내를 희생하면서 아기를 구한 결정이 자신을 힘들게 했기 때문이었습니다.
Not just the army, sir. I believe that every decision I make, well, it's wrong, sir.
This is about your decision to try to save your baby at the cost of your wife?
덱스는 상관답게 다시 일어나기 위해선 시작해야 한다며 자신에게 보여달라고 용기를 심어주죠.
And you recently saved 2 civilians' lives at the risk of your own, which means you care more for others than yourself.
But, sir, I don't...
Look, Corporal, getting knocked down by life is nothing to be ashamed of. Hell, we all been there. I know I have. It's getting up and starting over again. Shows people what kind of man you are. I think you're ready to show me that. More importantly, I'm counting on you to show yourself that.
셀레스키는 와닿지 않았지만 명령에 따라야 했죠.
Yes, sir.
Quest denied. Now get out of here.
Mm-hmm. Well, that's going to be a negative, Captain. These are special orders. They're coming straight from the top. As it sits right now, Lieutenant Dax has got total autonomy over his unit. Now, you two are going to have to figure out a way to work together. Is that understood?
밀튼은 데일리 대령에게 항의해보지만 소용이 없었습니다.
You wanted to see me, sir.
Clarno, I want you to be my eyes and ears in Dax's unit. If Dax so much as has a hiccups, I want to know how long they lasted in the intervals between.
Yes, sir.
Dismissed.
그래서 덱스를 모함하기 위해 스파이를 심죠.
They say no memory is ever alone. It is accompanied by a chain of associated memories. Whether good or bad, we draw from it our strength and confidence, which propels us forward.
덱스는 누군가를 잊는다는 것을 누구보다 잘 알고 있는 지휘관이었죠.
Especially when you lose the ones who you most truly love. Though their life is placed in your memory, surviving in a dark world of loss and grief proves to be most debilitating. People who have risen from the depths of such loss are the ones who truly have empathy for those presently experiencing that pain. But there are others who stay in the darkness, locked in their pain, poisoned by their anger, seeking only vengeance. Their memories cast shadows on their future, robbing them of their redemption. And in that darkness, they will remain until they realize that they can never truly move beyond their suffering by simply burying it.
Eines verspreche ich dir, mein Bruder. Der Zeitpunkt deiner Rache wird kommen.
복수는 복수를 낳는 법. 한편 GI 소대의 훈련입니다. 그런데 그때
You're dead. Selesky?
Yes, sir.
You're alive.
Yes, sir.
What were you thinking?
We had the element of surprise.
No, what you had was the element of noise. Just let every German in the vicinity know you're here. That will not accomplish your mission. This will. At least your corporal had the right idea.
Sir! Captain wants to see you!
Blue team, you're on assault this time. Try not to kill each other.
Positions are here and here.
Sir.
덱스는 영국 특수부대 책임자와 프랑스 레지스탕스와 작전 회의를 가집니다.
The lieutenant here has just been filling us in. He's received a transmission from one of his operatives in the field.
EO Blackbird, which is code requesting emergency extraction from a corresponding safe house. Could mean they've been compromised, hunted, Or worse, case scenario, dead.
Or it could be a trap. No identification on the operative?
Only the name, Chappelle.
Which brings us to why you're here. I was telling these gentlemen the incredible job your team was doing in their training, and I believe this is a perfect opportunity to show Division what we can do.
Permission to speak freely, sir. While I appreciate the captain's confidence, 5 days of training is simply not enough time.
하지만 덱스는 정확한 정보가 아니라며 자신을 혼자 확인해 본다고 하죠. 그러나
Why? Don't get me wrong, I know what your capabilities are, and that's why I picked you. But you're no longer a sergeant, you're an officer. Start acting like one.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have to ask, is it worth risking so many lives for just one operative?
The prefix EO in the transmission means the operative has highly classified information, the kind that could save lives or destroy them.
You just get that team ready.
Yes, sir.
덱스는 이번 임무가 찜찜한 구석이 있었지만 명령에 따라야 했고 소음기도 선물 받죠.
I have something for you that you may be able to use. There are 3 of these silencers in here that will fit your 45s. You'll find the decibel discharge to be highly reduced.
Appreciate it, Brimley. I'm sure the Krauts won't.
Good luck, old man.
그리고 또
Lieutenant! Lieutenant.
You guys want German uniform? I'm gonna need more than this, Corporal.
Lieutenant, German uniforms that aren't stained with blood are not easy to come by. Oh, and if anyone asks about a pissed-off Kraut POW over yonder, wearing only a towel, I had nothing to do with it, please.
Good work, Grotto.
Oh, no problem, Lieutenant. I love pulling monkeys out of my ass.
그렇게 덱스는 지하의 부대를 끌고 정보원을 구호해 오기 위해 독일 전선 10km 근처로 이동합니다.
There are no German positions here and here. Give that back, Wells.
Hey! Boy, what a looker. Nice gams.
I said give it back, Private.
What, she break your heart or something? Whoa! Whoa, take it easy, okay?
시간이 얼마나 지났을까? 독일 장갑차를 만난 덱스. 덱스는 기절합니다. 장갑차의 화력에 밀리는 지하의 부대. 덱스는 다행히 정신을 차리고
Standing around for it. Check the track.
다행히 운전병을 제외한 부대원들은 모두 무사했습니다. 하지만
Sir, truck is down.
Looks like we're walking.
Are you kidding me?
한편 포로를 잡고 있는 대위.
Wo hat man sie gefangen?
Leichenksekte in dem die Leiche deines Bruders gefunden wurde.
Have you seen this man?
자신의 동생을 죽인 미군을 찾고 있었습니다.
You. I understand. You must remain loyal to your country, which is a noble belief, and I feel the same. That is my family. So, if you have any information on this man, you can walk out of here. All of you. So let me ask again. Have you seen this man?
그리고 그때
This does not have to be hard. Help me, then you can leave.
Please, please.
Be careful, this man. He is like your brother. And as you can see, I was not heartless. I will take him to have immediate medical attention. If you help me, this you can trust.
과연 이 병사는 입을 열까요?
The man in that photo was shot by a ranger named Dwight Dax.
I shall arrange transport for you and your friends.
하지만 배신은 곧 죽음이었는데 덱스는 대원들을 끌고 작전 지역으로 이동합니다.
The farmhouse is just a little further down the road.
All right, let's take a look. Selesky.
Sir?
You're with us.
Anyone else have a hard time believing what they saw back there?
Yeah, what's Selesky's deal? Guy almost went Wild West on me.
It was a picture of his dead wife, you moron. We're talking about Dax. We saw Davis's dead face. His eyes were empty, like no one was home.
덱스는 정찰을 갔다가 다시 돌아오죠.
Let's move out.
Well, if the agent's in there, he's either dead or they're holding him somewhere.
He could be hiding in the safe room below ground.
Where's that?
Under the crapper?
We look there.
All right, Selesky, it's time to become a Nazi. I want this fast and quiet. Only 3 of our 45s are equipped that way. The rest of them are just noisemakers. So it comes down to muscle and knives. Selesky, I want you to scout the barn, see if our man's in there.
덱스는 셀레스키에게 나치 군복을 입혀 상황을 파악하려 했습니다. 셀레스키는 위장하고 침투하죠. 그런데
Osteopoia? 9.
Was machst du? Was machst du?
소음기의 기능은 확실했는데
Was ist das? So much for quiet. Barn?
Barn's clear, sir.
그리고 프랑스군의 말대로 화장실처럼 보이는 곳 밑에 포로들이 있었습니다.
Bonjour.
하지만
Whoa! Just tell you, put your gun down.
Figured that.
Laissez tomber vos armes!
You know how tough that can be.
Une eau les vôtres!
Yeah.
Tell her we're American.
American. Ah. See? Huh?
Where is the German uniform?
Speak English. Look, I'm sorry about the disguise, okay? We had to do it to get him.
Matt! You need a shower.
You could use a shower.
Yes, sir.
냄새가 적을 만들고 동맥이 절단됐지만 지혈로 목숨은 부지하죠. 하지만 역시 군인답게
Who's the woman?
여자에게 관심을 보입니다.
Been hiding down there. Apparently our boy dropped in one night. They both went for their weapons. She got hit, he got dead. She's been stuck down there ever since. If you ask me, it sounds like a load of bull.
Selesky, what do you think?
I mean, she seems sincere, sir.
I'll buy her story. All right, we're out of here in 10 minutes.
Take me with you. I know a shorter way to your lands, and I know where all the mines from here to there are.
Sir, we can't leave her with a bum leg.
We got company. We gotta go.
All right, Adams. O'Malley, get down back in that hole and grab everything that's not bolted down.
I know where to find some.
군대에서 여자 말은 쉽게 믿는 건 아니라고 했는데 무언가 믿는다는 건 도박 같았죠. 대부분 시행착오를 겪으며 신뢰를 체득하고 성장하는 것입니다. 무전은 끊기고 소문만 무성한 덱스.
You never finished telling us about Dax.
Yeah, let's hear this.
Rumor is, when he was a sergeant, took squads out on patrol.
하지만 부상병은
He always came back alone.
Stay with me, stay with me. Come on. He's bleeding again. I can't get it
Let
to
me
stop.
try. Keep putting pressure on the wound. I will try a pressure point.
What?
Just keep putting pressure.
가끔은 믿지 못할 사람에게 목숨을 맡겨야 하기도 했습니다. 덱스는 여자에게 목숨을 걸고 도박해야 했죠.
On the battlefield, no matter how much we try to protect each other in those split-second decisions we make, each of us knows today may be our last.
Got them, Lieutenant.
Tell him where we're going, tell him we got wounded, and I want a truck to meet us on the double.
Tells him to stay to the right of that big tree up on the rise. Everything out there is mine.
His color's getting better.
Just mind making.
믿고 의지할 사람이 가장 필요할 때 그들이 자신을 지지해 줄 것이라고 계속 믿어야 했고, 그러면 어느 순간 자신이 혼자라는 걸 느끼지 못할 때가 오는 것입니다.
Really good to see you, soldier.
덱스는 정보원을 구하지 못했죠. 하지만
Who's this?
Are you a Brit?
Lieutenant Arthur Brimley. And who are you?
My name is Chappelle. Elise Chappelle, and I need to contact SOE immediately. Tell them. EO Blackbird.
이 여자가 정보원이었습니다. 덱스는 임무를 완수하지만 또 다른 임무가 생기죠.
The captain wants to see you.
Have a seat. This is the aerial reconnaissance photo based on the coordinates Agent Chappelle supplied us.
A tunnel?
Probability is it's not just a tunnel. Could be a stockpile of munitions or fuel.
These trucks are leaving loaded. Are they evacuating?
Could be. That is precisely why I'm making this a priority. I don't want them to slip away with whatever they got in there. I want you and your team to infiltrate that tunnel, collect whatever intelligence you can, and if it is a stockpile, blow it.
Why not just send in a full company?
We've all got our hands full. The Germans are making their push, and I need every man I have at my disposal.
역시 나약한 상관일수록 자신의 중대를 전쟁터로 보내지 않았는데
I lost 4 good men on that mission. For what? Extract an agent with some intel on a tunnel that's being emptied as we speak?
That agent will be accompanying you on your next mission.
She's an unknown variable.
She knows where you and your men can recon the road to the tunnel.
Look, I have no problem risking my men's lives if it means saving others, but this?
You'll have no problem with this mission, Lieutenant.
덱스는 독일군이 가득한 굴 속으로 들어가야 했습니다.
Prepare your men to leave within the hour. You're dismissed.
이번에는 정보원을 데리고 모두 빠져나올 수 있을까요?
Men headed to the forward.
That's right, on a patrol.
Tape marks your path. Stay on the tape. Bloody Jerry's plant mines like wildflowers everywhere they go. Good luck.
Chappelle. Where from here on out, it's just us and the Germans.
That's it? Did he say what we can expect?
Yeah, he said expect Germans. You're on point. Take Chappelle with you. She knows where the minefields are.
We will head northeast. Follow the river upstream. Be quiet. Germans own the high ground.
All right, let's move out.
지하에 있는 독일의 초소 앞에 도착하는데
habe ich von Major gehört. Der Scheiß-Major. Wo ist mein roter Schweif? Komm mal hin, ich habe mit dem Ding ein bisschen rumgespielt. Geht schon, okay, oder? Ich bin ganz schön teuer.
다행히 교전 없이 지나가게 됩니다. 그리고
Who's to say?
Follow the river upstream.
You guys had trouble last go around. What more do you want?
독일군의 정보를 얻게 되죠.
That's correct. That's right. C'est les Germans qui own this ridge. T'as toujours tes chèvres.
Oh ben, tu sais, ces jours-ci, hein, c'est toute ma famille. Hein.
I will do all possible.
How far is it exactly from here to the tunnel?
Quelle distance exactement?
1 kilometer. But the German, they built a post of control right here.
Checkpoint.
Truck on the road. It's heading towards the tunnel. It looks empty.
Did you by chance have any coffee?
그날 밤
All right, gather around, you guys. Okay, we're gonna split up into 3 teams. Adams, O'Malley, Driscoll, you will quietly, and I do mean quietly, take out that pillbox on the right. O'Malley, when that pillbox is secure, work your way up to the bend in the road and put your sights on the mouth of that tunnel. Chappelle, Wells, take cover near the checkpoint. As soon as you hear an explosion or you see us withdrawing, take out the guards and clear the roadway. You're with me. Our job is to get inside that tunnel. Conway, you'll set the charge. As soon as you do, we take a truck and we get the hell out of there before it blows. Now, if we're hung up or discovered inside that tunnel, you boys take out that other pillbox and link up with us. If we're captured or killed, get your butts back to the line.
Another truck.
Whatever the Germans have, they're moving it farther behind the line.
So how the hell do you plan on getting us inside the tunnel?
Leave that to me.
If you got any white sheets, good, we're gonna need them.
다음 날 샤필은 자신 있어 보였죠.
Je suis désolée, je suis tout seul ici.
역시 모든 군인에겐 미인계가 먹히고
Sagen Sie nicht, Ihre Frau, dass Sie kamen.
Ja, stimmt.
Wiedersehen.
War Schweden.
트럭을 타고 독일 굴속으로 들어가는데 성공합니다.
This place is filled with some kind of fuel. It's gonna go up like the 4th of July. As soon as you're set your satchel and pull the cord, we got 2 minutes to get our butts out of here. Wait for my signal and then go, all right?
다른 대원들은 외곽 검문소를, 또 다른 대원들은 초소에 접근하죠.
O'Malley, give me eyes on that tunnel. Now.
One, two, three, four.
한편 내부에서는
Knives.
그리고 그때 이들은 차량을 훔치고 폭탄을 설치합니다. 하지만 초소에 전화가 걸려오죠. 차량에 시동이 걸리지 않았습니다. 그리고 결국
Conway's here!
Come on, Dax.
Hans! I got him. Get in the truck.
다행히 시동이 걸리고 탈출하는 덱스. 하지만 부상이 심해 전사할 수도 있었죠.
Hang in there, but you're gonna be all right. You're gonna be all right. You're all right. You're all right. Hang in. You're doing good. You're all right. You're gonna be okay. Hang in, Conway. Come on. Come on, Conway. Hang in there. Hang in, buddy. Hang in. Hang in. Hang in. Conway, don't die. Don't die on me, Conway. Fight! Fight! Fight!
그러나 세상을 떠나는 병장. 서류상 임무는 완성이었지만 성공과는 아주 멀리 떨어져 있는 기분이었죠. 한 생명을 잃는 것이 더 많은 목숨을 구해야만 정당화될 수 있는 것은 아니었습니다. 답은 각자에게 달려있으며 싸우는 이유와 전쟁 포화에 기꺼이 뒤덮이려는 이유는 저마다 다르겠죠.
How do you ask a man to sacrifice all that? The only thought I can cling to that affords me any refuge or peace is that whatever the enemy kept in that tunnel to use against us was eliminated. In that way, Conway's sacrifice was not in vain.
그리고 독일군의 상자를 열어보는데
What the hell is that thing?
Tomorrow may not allow such refuge.
Antreten. Hauptsturmführer, wir haben das in amerikanischer Tasche gefunden.
텍스는 전사한 병사들의 이름을 간직하며 영화는 마무리되는데요. 이 영화는 저 예산으로 만든 영화라 전투 장면은 멋도 없고 볼품없지만 텍스 소위가 병사에서부터 상사를 거치며 소위가 된 그는 자신과 함께했던 병사들이 전사할 때마다 이름을 적어 품에 간직하는 마지막 장면이 생각보다 진한 감동으로 다가왔습니다. 폭력은 전쟁에만 있는 것이 아닌 자신이 전우들을 믿을 수 있는가에 대한 자신의 믿음과 싸우는 폭력이 아닐까 생각합니다. 그럼 영화 작전명 컴뱃이었습니다.